Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic decimals. Grade 6 chapter number 8 is decimals. Grade 7 chapter number 2 is fractions and decimals, and basic concepts of decimals are useful for higher education. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. Let us start with my today's subtopic, and my today's subtopic is conversion of decimals into fraction. So the first number, it is given 0.29. So how many decimal places are there? 2 in after decimal. How many digits are there? 2. So what we will do, after decimal 2 places are there. So in denominator 2 zeros will come. So write down the numerator as it is without decimal. Just hide this decimal. What number you are getting? 29 upon 1, and after decimal 2 digits are there. So we will add 2 zeros. This is the way to convert decimals into fractions. Take one more example. So 309. So again hide this decimal. Suppose if decimal is not there, what will be your number? 309 upon 1 will be there, and after decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits. So we will put 3 zeros with 1. So 309 upon 1000. Take one more example, 0.75. Suppose this decimal is not there, then your number is 75. So 75 upon 1, and with 1 how many zeros will come? 2 zeros will come. So your answer will be 75 upon 100. Now there you cannot cut the numbers, but here you can convert into simplest form, as well as we write in fraction. So the next step is always convert into simplest form. These numbers are divisible by 25. So 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So your answer will be 3 by 4. Once when we write in the form of fraction, we follow all the properties of fraction. Fractions always we write in simplest form. So if it's possible, we will convert into simplest form. Take one more example, 1.25. Suppose this decimal is not there. Hide this decimal. You can hide decimal with your finger. You can hide decimal with your pencil. You can hide decimal with the point of your pen. Whatever is convenient for you, you can do that. So here if decimal is not there, your number will be 125. So 125 will come in numerator upon 1. And now after this decimal, how many digits are there? 2 digits. It means 2 zeros will come with 0, with 1. So the fraction will be 125 upon 100. Now you have written in the form of fraction. So think, can we convert into simplest form? Yes, these two numbers are divisible by 25, and if you don't know table of 25, you can cut by 5 also. So 25 5s are 125 and 25 4s are 100. So the answer will be 5 upon 4. So this is the way we convert decimals into fraction. Take few more examples now. Conversion of decimals into fraction. So here it is 3.08. So just hide this decimal. Your number will be 308. So 308 upon 1, and 2 zeros will make 100. So 308 upon 100. Now again these two numbers are divisible by 2. So just cut the number, or by 4 also you can cut. You need to use your divisibility test. By 4 also you can cut. So 4 7s are 28, 2 is left. Again 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 2 is left. Next number is 0. So 2 4 5s are 20. So 77 upon 25. Now next one is 1.62. So again, if this decimal is not there, your number will be 162 upon with two zeros, this will give you 100. Now again, these two numbers are divisible by 2. So just cut the number, or if you want you can cut by bigger number also, this is your choice. So 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10 and 0. So 81 upon 50 is the simplest form. Next example is 5.05. If again decimal is not there, your number will be 505 upon 1 with two zeros, that is 100. Now again these two numbers are divisible by 5. So cut by 5, 101 upon 20. This is the simplest form. Last example, again if decimal is not there, your number will be 24,705 upon 1, and how many zeros will come this time? 3 zeros. So this will become 1000. Again this number is divisible by 5. So cut the numbers by 5 and you will get the answer 4941 upon 200. Chapters, complete chapters are ready to watch for the grade 6. Knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with number, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shape, 5 subtopics, fractions, 10 subtopics. And please note, part 1 link is given in the description and link for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now conversion of fraction into decimal. So we can do by two methods, by division or by changing denominators to 100, 10, 100 and 1000. This method can be used for any number and this method can be used only for specific number. You can take the example 3 upon 8. So you can divide this 3 by 8. So now by 3 this is not divisible, so we will put their point, and now 8 3s are 24. So just subtract this, you will get 6. Write down the next number 0. Now with 8 table you can say 8 7s are 56. So again 4 is left. Write down the next 0. 8 5s are 40. So the answer is 0.375. Now take another example over here. 3.3 by 5. This part with few more examples I will explain while we will do division of decimals. Let us go for the second method. So 3 upon 5. So to make the denominator 10, we can multiply by 2 upon 2. So you will get 6 by 10. And now you know how to convert this into decimal. 1 0 is there. So leave there 1 digit and put the decimal. Now here you can see that there is no whole part. So while writing answer, we will write 0.6. So take another example, the same example 3 upon 8. So we know that 125 8s are 1000. So 3 upon 8 we will multiply by 125 upon 125. So multiply numerator with numerator, you will get 375, and 125 8s are 1000. Now how to convert into decimal? 3 zeros are there. So leave 1, 2 and 3 places and put decimal. So here will be 0.375. Again your whole part is missing, so final answer will be 0.375. Here few conversions are very important. 2 5s are 10, 20 into 5 will give you 100, 4 into 25 will give you 100, and 8 into 125 will give you 1000. If one or the other denominator is there, you can use this multiplication table to convert into 10, 100 and 1000. Take few more example with this. 42 upon 10, 1 0 is there. So leave one digit and your decimal will come over between 4 and 2. So this is 4.2. 75 upon 100, two digits are there, so leave these two digits and your decimal will come over here, and no whole part, it means 0.75. 55 upon 1000, three places are there, but in numerator we have only two places, so leave one more place and then put decimal. So this will give you 0.1 empty place and 55. And in maths, if no number is there, so we write down 0, so final answer will be 0.055. Now 575 upon 100, two zeros are there, so leave these two places and put decimal over here, so the answer will be 5.75. Now next example, three zeros are there, so leave these three places and your decimal will come over here, and no whole part, so again 0.372. 459 upon 10, one zero is there, so leave one digit and then the answer will be 45.9. Now three zeros are there, so here you will leave there three zeros, three places, so 1, 2 and 3, and here the decimal will come, so the number will become 5.175. Today in my place we are celebrating Rakhi celebration, so you can also enjoy the band baja with my voice. I'm sorry for this, but it's okay, fine. Now 303,925 upon. I'm very sorry, even I'm enjoying. I don't want to like teaching over here, and I think first time you are seeing me smiling and laughing, so everybody should enjoy with me. Even I want to dance, but I have to complete my video. Okay, so let us continue with this. 10 is there, so leave one digit and put decimal over here, so this will become 392.5. Again some mistake is there, actually it should be 392.5. please do correction over 392.5, decimal should come over here because only 10 is there, so we will leave one digit, your answer will be 392.5. Now next one is 5 upon 1000. Three zeros are there, so we need to leave three places. So one digit is there, two empty places will be there, and then we will put decimal over here. So like this, 0 point empty places and 5, and here no number is there. It means always we write 0 in maths. So 0.005. Fractions, grade 6, chapter number 7, grade 7, chapter number 2. These are the subtopics. These subtopics are ready to watch. And please note, part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Convert into decimals, so 11 upon 20. So we can multiply this 20 by 5 so that you will get 100. So 11 5s are 55 and 20 5s are 100, and now you know how to convert into decimal. Two zeros are there, so leave these two places and put decimal over here, 0.55. This is the easiest way converting into decimals instead of doing by the division method. So whenever it's possible to convert denominator into 10, 100,000, always go with this method. Next one is 9 upon 40. So by 40, which number will you multiply to get 10, 100,000? We know 25 fours are 100. So we can multiply by 25 upon 25. Multiply numerator with numerator 225, and 25 fours are 100, and one more extra zero, this one 0. So now here we have three digits, three zeros, so leave these three digits and your decimal will come over here, so 0.225. Now next one is 15 upon 8. We know that 8 into 125 is 1000, so here we will multiply by 125 upon 125. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, you will get this number. Now in denominator, 3 zeros are there, so leave 1, 2 and 3 places and your decimal will come between 1 and 8. So the final answer will be 1.875. 52 upon 25, 250. So we know that 25 fours are 100. So here we will multiply by 4 upon 4. So this is the number. Now we have 3 zeros. So leave these 3 places and your decimal will come over here. So 0.208 is the final answer. Take the last example, 11 upon 4. So again we know that 4 multiplied by 25 will give you 100. So here we will multiply by 25 upon 25. Multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 275 upon 100. Now these 2 zeros are there. So leave these 2 places and then put decimal over here. So final answer will be 2.75. These are my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and also to watch my next video.